बचपन 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 प्यारा नटखट बचपन झिलमिलाती खुशियों का जैसे कोई दर्पण बचपन बचपन प्यारा नटखट बचपन झिलमिलाती खुशियों का जैसे कोई दर्पण बुलबुल सोनू मोनू टीनी मिनी टिकी टिकी इनकी हंसी से ही सारी फुलवारियां खिलती चंदा सूरज को भी इनसे रोशनी है मिलती इनकी हंसी से ही सारी फुलवारियां खिलती चंदा सूरज को भी इनसे रोशनी है मिलती बचपन बचपन प्यारा नटखट बचपन रे झिलमिलाती खुशियों का जैसे कोई दर्पण
କିଛି ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଛ ନା ଆମେ ସବୁ ଶିକ୍ଷିତ ଲୋକ ଆମେ ସବୁ ଶିକ୍ଷିତ ଲୋକ ଚାରିଆଡ଼େ ଚମକ ଚାରିଆଡ଼େ ଚମକ
Born at Ahmedabad in 1889, November 14 in a Brahmin family and died at New Delhi in 1964 at 27. His father's name is Motilal Nehru and his mother's name is Swarnalata Devi. Jawaharlal Nehru was the eldest of 4 children, 2 of whom were girls. In India, Children's Day is observed as Bal Divas. Bal means child and Divas means day. Jawaharlal Nehru loves children very much. In 1948, November 14, he announced his birthday as Children's Day. So to remember the reason, we obey November 14 as Children's Day every year. He is well known as Chacha Nehru and Chachaji. He was a freedom fighter, also a good speaker, writer, as well as a good leader. Today we celebrate not just a day on the calendar, but the essence of childhood, the spirit of innocence and the limitless potentials residing within every young heart. Children's Day commemorating birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is a day that not only pays homage to his love for children but also underscores the imperative of our not only educating and Our beloved Chacha Nehru once declared, the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. This words echo responsibility we bear in shaping the future of our great nation. Children's Day is success when our country will be free from child labor, and every child get the same right to education. In this Children's Day, let's take our to create a safe place for the future of our country and not threaten and hinder their growth. Wish you all a happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Very good, Ananya. Now I would like to request our fantastic teacher, dear assessor, please come and give your speech and bless with your words.
Good morning, one and all present over here, respected principal sir, fellow teachers and my dear students. As you all know, we have gathered here to celebrate the special occasion of Children's Day. So each year we celebrate Children's Day on the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and as you all know, Nehru loves children a lot, and he is very fond of children. And the children used to call him affectionately as Chacha Ji, so once Nehru said that the children of today are the future of tomorrow. They can build a great nation, and children are like the birds.
Words on this day remind us a quote by a Nobel lecturer of South Africa University that placed at the entrance gate. That is, the collapsing of a nation does not require the use of atom bomb or long-range missile, but requires only lowering the quality of education to the students and allowing cheating. The patient will die in the hand of such doctors, and the building will collapse in the hand of such engineers. The money will lost in the hand of such accountants. Humanity will die in the hand of such religious scholars, and justice will die in the hand of such judges. So collapse of education is the collapse of nation. By this I am requesting another students of class 11, Sunita, to come and give her speech.
समस्त को मोर सुप्रभात। सम्माननीय मोर पूज्यस्पद गुरुजी गुरुमा वृंद तथा उपस्थित मोर छोट बड़ भाई भौणी, पवित्र शिशु दिवस उपलक्षे समस्त को मोर हार्दिक शुभेच्छा और शुभकामना। आज मु निजक धन्य मन करुछि कहीं आज आपण सम्मुखें शिशु दिवस संबंध में मत मोर विचार अभिव्यक्त कर सुजोग मिली अबा निजक पुणी से पिलादिन को फेर ना सुजोग मिली। शिशु दिवस हूँ एक एमतीका दिन जो दिनटी जड़े 80 वर्ष वयस्क वृद्ध लोकटी भी तार पिलादिन स्मृति सब मन पकई दिए और मन में बचार आशा जागृत करदिए। सतरे बहुत भल था से पिलादिन। कोल थिला मार आ कांद थिला बापार, ना चिंता थिला पैसार, ना टेंशन थिला जीवनर, ना चिंता थिला कालीर, ना किसी स्वप्न थिला भविष्यर। एबे खाली चिंता से भविष्यर आखिरे भरी रही से स्वप्नर। हेले कर्तव्यर बोझ तले पोती हो जाऊँगी से सपन आउ बीती जाऊँगी ये सारा जीवन। सतरे भल था से पिलादिन। पिलामाने हेउचंती से माटी सदृश जो माटी को आम जमी चाहिए सेमिति आकार दे पारिबा, अर्थात सेमानक जीवन को उत्तम ढंग से गढ़ी पारिबा। पुणी पिलामाने हेउचंती एक वृक्ष सदृश जो वृक्षर आम जमी जत्न नवा से वृक्षटी सेमिति मजबूत हो गढ़ी उठिबो। अर्थात आम पिलामानकर जमी लालन पालन करवा सेमिति आदर्श नहीं आगक से भविष्य गढ़े। पितामाता हूँ कि शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री हूँ प्रत्येक स्वप्न थाए कि पिलामाने सफलता हासिल करूँ एवं उत्तम आदर्श और भल संस्कार नहीं आगक बढ़ाते। ଏହି ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ସେତେବେଳେ ସାକାର ହେବ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ପିତାମାତା ଏବଂ ଜ୍ଞାନଦାତା ଦୃଢ଼ ସଂକଳ୍ପବଦ୍ଧ ହେବେ କି ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଆଚାର ବିଚାରରେ ସକାରାତ୍ମକ ଭାବ ଆଣିବେ ଏବଂ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ସମ୍ମୁଖରେ ଜଣେ ଆଦର୍ଶ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଭାବେ ନିଜକୁ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତ କରିବେ। ତ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଦିନେ ନା ଦିନେ ତାଙ୍କର ପିଲାମାନେ ସଫଳତାର ଶୀର୍ଷ ଚଢ଼ିବେ, ଏଥିରେ କୌଣସି ସନ୍ଦେହ ନାହିଁ। ଆଜି ହେଉଛି ପବିତ୍ର ଶିଶୁ ଦିବସ। ଭାରତରେ ପ୍ରତିବର୍ଷ ନଭେମ୍ବର ମାସ 14 ତାରିଖ ଦିନଟିକୁ ଶିଶୁ ଦିବସ ରୂପେ ପାଳନ କରାଯାଏ। ଶିଶୁ ଅଧିକାର ଏବଂ ଶିକ୍ଷା ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଗ୍ରତ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରତିବର୍ଷ ଏହି ଦିବସଟିକୁ ପାଳନ କରାଯାଏ। 1954 ମସିହାରୁ ଭାରତରେ ଶିଶୁ ଦିବସ ପାଳନ କରାଯାଉଅଛି। ପ୍ରଥମତଃ ଶିଶୁ ଦିବସ ଭାରତରେ ନଭେମ୍ବର ମାସ 20 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ପାଳନ କରାଯାଉଥିଲା। 1899 ମସିହା ନଭେମ୍ବର ମାସ 14 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ଭାରତର ପ୍ରଥମ ପ୍ରଧାନମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ପଣ୍ଡିତ ଜବାହରଲାଲ ନେହେରୁଙ୍କ ଜନ୍ମଗ୍ରହଣ କରିଥିଲେ। ନେହେରୁଙ୍କର ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି ଅତୁଟ ସ୍ନେହ ଓ ଭଲ ପାଇବା ଥିଲା। ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଅଧିକାଂଶ ସମୟ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ସହ ବିତାଇବାକୁ ପସନ୍ଦ କରୁଥିଲେ। ସେ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କର ଶିକ୍ଷା ଓ ଅଧିକାର ଉପରେ ବିଶେଷ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ଦେଉଥିଲେ। ପଣ୍ଡିତ ଜବାହରଲାଲ ନେହେରୁଙ୍କ ସ୍ଲୋଗାନ ଥିଲା ଆରାମ ହିଁ ଆରାମ ହିଁ। ତେଣୁ ସେ ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପରି ଜୀବନ କାଟୁଥିଲେ। ସେ କହୁଥିଲେ ଆଜିର ଶିଶୁ କାଲିର ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ, ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଯେଉଁ ଆଦର୍ଶ ଶିକ୍ଷା ଏବଂ ପ୍ରେରଣା ଦେଇ ଗଢ଼ିବା ସେ ଦେଶର ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ ସେମିତି ଗଢ଼ିବେ। ତେଣୁ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ଉତ୍ତମ ସଂସ୍କାର ଏବଂ ଆଦର୍ଶ ଦେଇ ଗଢ଼ିବା ଉଚିତ। ଶେଷରେ ପଦଟିଏ କହି ମୋର ବକ୍ତବ୍ୟ ଶେଷ କରିବି। ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଶ୍ରମିକ ନୁହଁ, ଘରଠାରୁ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଅତିକ୍ରମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କରାଯିବା ଉଚିତ। ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ମାଟିପାତ୍ର ରଖିବା ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଛୋଟ କାନ୍ଧରେ ସ୍କୁଲ ବ୍ୟାଗ୍ ଝୁଲାଇବା ଉଚିତ। ପିଲାମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଅଧିକାରରୁ ବଞ୍ଚିତ ହେବା ଉଚିତ ନୁହେଁ, ବରଂ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଅଧିକାର ସହିତ ବଞ୍ଚିବାକୁ ଅନୁମତି ଦିଆଯିବା ଉଚିତ। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।
Of class 7, Adarshini Parikar to give her speech.
Good morning everyone. Respected principal sir, all teachers and my dear brothers and sisters. First of all, wish you a very happy Children's Day, and I would like to thank my teachers for giving me an opportunity to speak about this special day. चाचा नेहरू आपको सलाम, अमन शांति का दे देगा। चाचा नेहरू आपको सलाम, अमन शांति का दे देगा। जन को जन से आपने बचाया, किया अपना जन्म दिवस बच्चों के नाम। जन को जन से आपने बचाया, किया अपना जन्म दिवस बच्चों के नाम। चाचा नेहरू आपको सलाम, बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। 14th November is observed as Children's Day in India. The day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Children love to say him Chacha Nehru because of his deep affection and love towards children. This day is a day dedicated to honoring children and their rights, who are the future of nation. Nehru says every child is a different kind of flower, and all together they make this world a beautiful garden. प्रत्येक बच्चा अलग अलग तरह की फूल होते हैं। जब वो मिल जाते हैं तो इस पृथ्वी को एक सुंदर बगीचा बना देते हैं। Chacha Nehru was extremely fond of the young children because of his love and passion towards children. His birth anniversary has been marked as Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated in all schools, colleges, and various activities are performed to make children happy and delightful. Many schools make competitions for children to participate in the activities and they are given various gift items. दुनिया का सबसे सच्चा समय, दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा दिन, दुनिया का सबसे हसीना पल सिर्फ बचपन में ही तो मिलते हैं। Children's Day has a lot of significance in the life of children. Children's Day is not only celebrated for fun, but it also reminds the vision and ambitions of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Nehru wanted every child
chance to be the world. India and the world have given the birth to so many genius people whose personalities remain the timeless. Even when a flower is plucked, his kindness fills the air. Just like a child steps into the house resounded with happiness. He becomes a citizen of the future. He wins the hearts and the mind of all with her simple, innocent and tender heart.
As it is a day dedicated entirely to children, the future of our nation. It is a day when we come together to celebrate the spirit of childhood innocence and the boundless potential that resides within each child. Children's Day is observed on the birthday of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It is a day not only honors his love and affection for children but also symbolizes the significance of nurturing, educating and empowering the young minds of the nation. Our beloved Chacha Nehru once said, "The children of today will make the India of tomorrow." These words still hold true, reminding us of the vital role children play in shaping the destiny of our great nation. Their actions, thoughts and dreams will determine the path India follows in the future. They must remember that the dreams they nurture today, that will be reality they live in tomorrow. In today's rapidly changing world, the power of knowledge and education is unparalleled. The children are fortunate enough to have access to education, a gift that not only every child around the world is privileged to receive. This gift empowers
And held across India for children. Nehru built many schools, introduction, healthy food, educational system, etc. Nehru had plans to build a great India. He was a man with strong determination. He once said, "Time is not measured by the passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels."
तथापि देश जो ब्रिटिश अमर जो पराजय था सी कहला सी जो ब्रिटेन पढ़ुले सी जो गेट्रे जी से गेट कार था व्हेराज प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ ब्रिटेन से सुविधा ना केते धनी थे ये जो 5 इयर्स प्लान हो जहाँ जहाँ देश दरकार था से समय से सबकि जहाँफल आम जो 21st सेंचुरी वर्ल्ड टॉप जो देश हिसाब से आम गणा जाऊँ बर्तमान सब फील्ड में स्पेस टेक्नोलोजी हो पॉलिटिक्स हो एवरीवेयर इकोनॉमिक्स हो बर्तमान आम कर जहाँद्वारा से भविष्य निश्चित भल हम से विषय आम इंट्रोस्पेक्शन आलोचना करवा पर्यालोचना करवा आम पे दूर सुजोग पाँच आउ के पाइबा दरकार ये विषय चिंता करवा दरकार मु कहबी जो आम फ्यूचर सिटीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया कहूँ आज पे प्रकार सिटीजन से बर्तमान देश पॉलिटिक्स चलती